Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the lock screen widgets in the device. So this is the lock screen. If you swipe left, you can see the widget on the lock screen. So let me show you. Now it is enabled. That's why we are able to see the lock screen on this device. Lock screen widget on this device. So let me show you how to disable this one. Okay. First of all, go to settings. Okay. Then go to Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode here. Now scroll down. So here you can see the option lock screen widget. Now it is enabled. That's why we can see the widgets on the lock screen. If you disable this one, turn off this one. Now let me show you. If you swipe left, now you can see that is disabled. Okay, so simply in this way, if you want to again enable the lock screen widget, again go to settings, tap on Face ID and passcode, then scroll down. Under allow access when locked, turn on this option lock screen widget. Now lock the device, swipe left. Now you can see the widgets is enabled. We can view the widget on the lock screen. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the lock screen widgets in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.